Hi guys, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Thursday afternoon. We're here in our place here in Mabalacat, and I will show to you what dessert or food for this summer here in Philippines. So let's go.
Yes, Shaira Family open business
Yes.
near home.
We just opened some business. Maybe it's already for 2 days.
Yes, it's
Second day only.
her mother and father. Just if have time, they can open small business. And Shaira won't explain. And Shaira and
Yes, I
Pamela
will.
also explain what kind of business.
Mhm.
I just arrived Philippines 2 days ago, but I tried to take motor, but my motor is low, but that's why I not stop. And car already not need use because this is summer in the Philippines. We will always use motor now because it's easier. Okay, Shaira, show your family business, new business.
So we're here already in our business.
Yes, just near home.
Yes, it's near home only. This is halo-halo. This is the ingredients of halo-halo. I have jackfruit, sugar, sweet potato, and mango beans.
Where you bought this one? All in hypermarket or in the market?
We bought some banana.
Banana.
Yes, banana. We bought
This is all ingredients for halo-halo.
Yes, banana, have nata de coco.
What is?
Nata de coco. It's coco gelatin.
Coconut gelatin, okay.
Then, kaong. Maybe in another country have also like this.
Of course.
And then, have jello here.
Okay, we'll
Jello.
explain how to do.
Okay. My sister will gonna explain it, okay?
Okay, I will give microphone. Microphone.
Okay. First, let's get some 16-ounce cup because we'll be needing this one, the big cup, because there's a lot of ingredients for our halo-halo. Some other business owners, they only doing some like 4 ingredients, but I am doing maybe more than 14 ingredients. So let's first do it with the gelatin. This is a green gelatin, which is I also made this one. No, my mom made this one. She cooked it. Okay, just 4 teaspoons. Halo-halo. And this one is, in Tagalog, it's sago. It is also somehow like a gelatin, but
Different type of gelatin.
yes, here in the Philippines we call it sago. This is red sago. Okay. Okay, we'll be putting red sago. Same they put in milk tea, but only in milk tea have black only. Yeah. In milk tea it's look like black. It's tapioca. Yeah, sago is tapioca. And we'll be going to have white tapioca, but it's crushed. Crushed white tapioca. Only one spoonful. This is banana, sweetened banana. We just bought the banana and then we just cook it in home. This is a white bean. Then I'll be putting one. It's white beans. It's white beans. This is pinipig. Where we are cooking this one like this one, like I'm frying this one. It's pinipig. And then the sweet corn. This is sweet corn. Have also in hypermarket, you can buy like that, or you can just buy it in the market itself. Yes. Then, but it is much easier if you bought it in corn, sweet corn. Then it's sweet potato. It's sweet potato. Also we bought that one in market and then we cook it. in home. Okay. Kanina doon ako. This is a mango beans. Okay. Here. The taste is better because of the mango beans, because mango beans is rich in its flavors. Then, of course, don't forget the wash sugar. Yes.
Yeah, it's brown. Little bit brown.
It's wash.
Have 3 type of
How many
sugar.
It's
Philippine
two.
people like sugar.
Yeah.
They like sweeten.
But it depends upon the customer if they want it to be sweet or the regular one or no sugar. And then we'll be crushing ice. Hindi ako makaping ice. Can you get me some ice? Okay. Na. Here. Let's wait for the ice because this is not enough because we'll be needing more ice to put here. Okay, for our.
Cold. Yes.
I'll just crush it here because
Yes,
it is
it's
much easier.
It's more better to.
Yes. It is easier to crush if you smash it. And this one is enough. More than enough. So I'll just get a little bit here
It's okay already.
to fill this one.
Ay, may kakay. Yan.
Okay. Here, okay. Then we're going to put the toppings. Nakasingas ka?
Jackfruit.
This is a sweetened jackfruit. As you can see, the consistency, it's very sweet and this is very delicious.
And also you can buy in store also. But you need to, if you go to home and then you need to separate it first.
Here, and I'll be putting the
Sweet
kaong.
kaong.
This is sweetened kaong. We'll be putting maybe 2 only. Here on the side for presentation. And I'll be putting the sauce here. And then this is the nata. This is a coconut gelatin, nata de coco. Let's put it here on the top.
So this is our customer also.
Okay.
And how much?
It's 35 pesos.
35 pesos.
Yes.
Yes.
But it's full of ingredients there already.
And
Have
this
also
is ube. This is ube. This is the sweetened jackfruit and the ube is the special ingredients because it tastes really good. I'll be putting this one, this much, here. Okay. And then this is the best part. I'll be putting
3 scoop.
evaporated creamer.
3 shots of
3
Milk.
shots of evaporated creamer. Here. then I am putting some condensed, which is mango flavor.
flavor.
Yes, and this one tastes good.
And Leon will gonna taste it, okay?
But already have customer. Better for customer.
Don't have customers.
Don't have
I bought for you.
Ah,
This
so
one is the final product. This one looks like the product of a supermarket. Here you go. You can taste it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Hi guys, I will try to this halo halo. This is in the Philippines called halo halo. Shaira, how much the halo halo in the no, Jollibee,
Inasal, like
in
this?
Asal, yes. How much?
How much?
How much in
It cost
60. It's
about 60 peso.
or one.
But here
it's
is so many
60 pesos is just like this.
The
it's
small only.
small.
Yes.
But here so many ingredients and 35 peso only. So this is very good and so many, really so many ingredients.
It's 13 ingredients or 14
Shaira, hold
ingredients.
camera. I try to
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
try. I will say.
Your microphone.
Little bit more.
You should do like this.
Need to mix.
Yes. Until the down.
This is how you
So many ice I cannot now. Shaira, you...
here. You mix. You,
Okay, can you mix and you
Like
show
this?
to how to mix?
You mix this one like this.
Yes.
Okay. Here's so much.
Because you put so many ingredients inside,
Yes.
so many.
But it's easy to mix like this from the bottom to the top. Here. Because the ice will melt.
It's full of
Ingredients.
ingredients. That's why it's
And this one is good to go.
Okay, I will try.
This is the oven. You can try it.
Yeah. Thank you. Very good. Before we bought same in the
inasal.
in Asal, yes, in Asal. Taste, but here so many fruits. I like it so many fruits because in Asal not so many fruits. Here so many fruits. It's good for me because I sometimes I eat only fruits.
Yes. This is healthy.
Very good. And if hot season, now hot season in the Philippines.
It's very in demand because it's hot season.
Yeah.
And also it's popular.
Okay, Shaira, now you can eat.
I have also before.
It's okay, you can eat more.
Good.
Good.
Yes. Because I have already some halo-halo also. So it's my second time.
I think you
It's
you
my
can eat
halo-halo.
any time.
This is my halo-halo.
Halo halo, just put in the glass.
Then this is yours.
Okay, later.
Okay.
Shaira now eat also halo halo.
My halo-halo before.
Okay. Pamela, I want to ask you,
Okay.
how much money you invest to this your family invest? I know it's not you, not Shaira, it's your family, just only temporary business. How much money invest to ingredients and
Equipment.
how many customers a day? That's just interesting profit.
Okay. So I started this one just yesterday. The business, we started the business just yesterday, and all of the ingredients, including the equipments that I am using, like this one, the ice crusher, because this is very useful since I'll be needing this to crush ice. The other one is this cooler. This one, the cooler, and the ube. The other ingredients are here so that it won't affect if it is very hot. The ice. Here's the ice. And then all of the ingredients, everything, including the cups and the spoons and everything here, I just, my expenses are about 5,000. 5,000 pesos. And every day I am expecting more than 40 customers.
About 40 customers.
Yes. Yesterday we have served maybe 43 customers, if I'm not mistaken. It's 43 customers. And for a first timer, it is a lot because I am not expecting to get a lot of customers since my ingredients are very good and you know, and it tastes very delicious. And I am really promoting our business because this is very good, just like what's in the Mang Inasal and other restaurants. And maybe it is better because it is cheaper, unlike on the other restaurant.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this road I see so many people from the work come back to home. So very busy road. And from barangay people also come.
Yes. On the other street, they are going here just to buy the halo-halo because this one is very cheap and a lot of ingredients are included. Because on the other business owners, they are just putting 4 ingredients, but I am putting 14 ingredients.
Yeah, so many.
Yes, so
really.
many. That's a lot. And this is healthy because I am putting beans, banana, sweet potato, and everything because this is all naturals and organic. Yeah.
Okay. Pamela, thank you for interview and you explain about halo halo and Shaira.